A rewarded play ban can't usually be removed by reinstalling the app or creating a new account, because the appeal process has to go through the official support team. By the end of this video, you'll know how to submit a strong appeal, what information to include, and what mistakes to avoid while waiting for a decision. The first step is to contact Rewarded Play through its official support channel. Use the same email address connected to the banned account, so the support team can locate your account history more easily. When writing your appeal, explain exactly what happened. Include when you noticed the ban, any error messages you received, and what you were doing before access to your account was restricted. A clear timeline helps support understand the situation faster than a short message that simply says your account was banned. Next, provide your account details and device information if requested. Include your device model, operating system version, and any other information the support team asks for. If you have screenshots of the error or ban message, attach them to your request because they can help verify the issue. Keep your appeal respectful and factual. If you believe the ban was made by mistake, say that directly and explain why. Avoid making accusations or sending emotional messages because they don't give the support team additional information to investigate. While waiting for a response, don't create another Rewarded Play account. If the original account is under review, opening a second account may complicate the investigation and could make it harder to resolve the issue. It's also a good idea to review the app's account rules before sending your appeal. If you accidentally violated a requirement, acknowledging that in your message is more helpful than ignoring it. If you don't know why the ban happened, simply state that you're requesting clarification and would like the support team to review your account. Avoid submitting multiple appeals for the same issue within a short period. One detailed request with complete information is generally easier for support to review than several separate tickets covering the same problem. After submitting your appeal, monitor your email regularly, including your spam and promotions folders. If support replies with questions or requests additional information, respond as quickly and clearly as possible to keep the review moving. The key points are simple. Contact official support, submit a detailed and respectful appeal, include any requested information, and avoid creating another account while your case is being reviewed. Your next step is to gather your account details and write a clear appeal that explains exactly what happened. If this guide helped you understand the appeal process, like the video and subscribe for more Rewarded Play troubleshooting guides, tutorials, and reward app tips.